Improving a YouTube channel to gain more views and subscribers requires a combination of strategies and consistent effort. Here are 10 interesting recommendations to enhance your YouTube channel and increase its reach. Number 1. High-quality content. Focus on creating engaging, informative, and entertaining content that provides value to your target audience. Invest time in scripting, editing, and improving the overall production quality. Number 2. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use catchy, keyword-rich titles and well-written descriptions that accurately describe your video's content. This helps with search engine optimization, SEO, and makes it easier for viewers to find your videos. Number 3. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that grab viewers' attention and accurately represent the video's content. Use high-quality images, bold text, and contrasting colors to make them stand out in search results and related videos. Number 4. Consistent branding. Develop a unique and recognizable brand identity for your channel. Use consistent color schemes, logos, and intro/outro animations to strengthen your channel's visual appeal and make it more memorable. Number 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other content creators in your niche can introduce your channel to a new audience. Seek opportunities for guest appearances, interviews, or even collaborative video projects to tap into their subscribers' base. Number 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with your viewers. Building a strong community fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to become subscribers. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to engage with your audience in real time. Number 7. Promote your videos on social media. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit to share your videos with a broader audience. Engage in relevant communities, use appropriate hashtags, and encourage your followers to share your content. Number 8. Cross-promote your content. Utilize the end screens, cards, and annotations feature of YouTube to link related videos or playlists on your channel. This encourages viewers to explore more of your content, increasing their watch time and likelihood of subscribing. Number 9. SEO optimization. Research and include relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, tags, and captions. Optimize your channel's metadata to improve its visibility in search results and increase the chances of appearing as a suggested video. Number 10. Analyze and learn from data. Utilize YouTube analytics to understand your viewers' preferences and behavior. Identify which videos perform well and why. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights to cater to your audience's interests and preferences. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and patience. Stay consistent, adapt to feedback, and keep experimenting to find what works best for your unique audience. Disclaimer. The points mentioned in this video are only recommendations and not a guarantee that if implemented, your YouTube channel will be successful.